The portable charger market is getting crowded fast. But every once in a while, a product shows up that actually solves a real problem people deal with every single day. And now, Baseus just launched a new, affordable 3-in-1 power bank that might be one of the smartest travel accessories we've seen this year. Because this isn't just another battery pack. It combines a power bank, a wall charger, and an integrated USB-C cable into one compact device, which means you no longer need to carry extra charging bricks, loose cables, or multiple accessories just to keep your devices alive on the go. According to reports, the new model features a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, with fast charging support up to 67 watts, enough to charge smartphones, tablets, handheld gaming devices, and even some laptops. But the feature that really stands out is the built-in retractable USB-C cable. Instead of wrapping cables around the device or digging through your bag every time your phone dies, the cable is already built in and can extend when needed, then retract back inside the power bank for cleaner portability. Honestly, that sounds simple, but it's one of those quality-of-life features that makes a huge difference during travel. The device also includes foldable wall prongs, meaning it can work like a direct wall charger without needing a separate charging brick. So in theory, this single gadget could replace your power bank, your USB-C cable, and your charger. That's a big deal for people trying to minimize tech clutter. There's also a built-in display that shows battery percentage and charging information in real time, something usually reserved for more expensive premium power banks. And perhaps the most surprising part? The pricing. Reports suggest the launch price in China is around 399 yuan, or roughly $58. That positions it well below many premium competitors from brands like Anker, especially considering the combination of features. Now, of course, real-world performance still matters. Some users online have praised Baseus products for offering strong value at lower prices, while others have raised concerns about long-term reliability on certain older power bank models. So the real test will be how this device handles heat, charging stability, and battery durability over time. But on paper, this might be one of the most practical portable charging devices Baseus has released so far, especially for travelers, students, creators, or anyone tired of carrying an entire backpack full of charging accessories. Because the future of tech accessories may not be about adding more features anymore. It may be about eliminating the need to carry so many devices in the first place.